unitary method, time and work. Exercise 8a. So in unitary method we'll study about direct variation or proportion and inverse variation. Okay, what is direct variation? Direct variation means a direct variation is represented when two quantities are so related that increase in one quantity causes increase in the other and decrease in one quantity causes decrease in the other. Okay, they increase or decrease in same order, same ratio. Suppose that if we discuss, first point we'll discuss कि if the salary of one man, monthly salary of one man is 5,000. Okay, so salary of two man will be 2,000. Okay, 10,000. Sorry, means we did double here. One man 5,000 salary and salary of two man 10,000. Okay, we just double. Man 1 we did double and salary 5,000 we did double. Okay, so this is direct variation. Okay, understood or not? This is direct variation, means they increase or decrease in the same ratio. Increase or decrease in the same ratio. Inverse variation. And inverse variation is indicated when two quantities are so related that increase in one quantity causes decrease in other quantity. Increase in one quantity causes decrease in other quantity, or decrease in one quantity causes increase other quantity. Is okay, the ratio of any two values of one quantity is the inverse of the ratio of the corresponding values of other. Means main thing is there, increase in one quantity causes decrease in other quantity. Suppose that 5% built a house in 3 days, then one person will make 3 into 5. Okay, and that direct variation, in that case if we see, then 3 upon 5 it was going, but no, we can't do 3 upon 5 days. Okay, why? Because one person will complete or build that building 5 times. Okay, 5 person can build a building in 3 days, and one person can build a building 3 into 5 means 15 days. Okay, this is inverse variation. Okay, number 1, fill in the blanks. 16 article cost rupees, cost of 16 articles equal to 72 rupees, and cost of one article equal to 72 upon 16, 8 9s are 8, 2s are means 4.50 rupees. Okay, then cost of 30 articles, cost of 30 articles equal to, we can write 30 into 9 upon 2. We can write this also, but in multiplication is easy for this 9 upon 2. Okay, 9 upon 2 or 4.50, no problem, same thing. 15, 2 1s are 2, 2 5s are 15, 9s are 135 rupees. Okay, then cost of 30 articles equal to rupees 135. Now Question number 2. At a party, 8 packets of chips are served for every batch of 50 students. How many packets would be served if 40 students were present in a party? For batch of 5 students, packets are required. Packets of chips are required. Packets only I am writing. Packets are required equal to 8 for batch of 1 student. Packets are required 8 upon 5 for batch of 40 students. Packets are required equal to 8 upon 5 into 40. 5 8 ja 40. First we will divide and then we will multiply to get more. We will multiply, okay, in direct variation. 8 8 ja 64 packets, okay. This is the answer. A person at a speed of 72 km per hour travels by car from Delhi to Chandigarh in 10 hours. What should the average speed of car so that a person can complete the journey in 8 hours? Okay. See, if time is 10 hour, if time is 10 hours, then speed 72 kilometer per hour. Okay. If time is 1 hour, then speed should be more. Means if time is taken from Delhi to Chandigarh 1 hour, then speed should be increased 10 times. Okay. And question is there, what should be the average speed of car so that the person can complete the journey in 8 hours? If time is 8 hours, then speed equal to divide. This is inverse variation. Okay. This is inverse variation. 90 kilometer per hour. Okay. This is the answer.